you tired of contributing to environmental waste with traditional plastic zipper bags? Haplast understands this problem. They are non-biodegradable and contribute to pollution. And you can find a reliable supplier that also provides you an affordable price and good quality products. Don't worry about that. Haplast has a solution to make your life and our planet better. Say goodbye to the struggle. Our bags are easy to open and close. And here's the magic. Our bags are 100% compostable and tear resistant. Made from eco-friendly materials, our zipper bags naturally decompose, so it's environmentally friendly. Moreover, we can provide you with an affordable price and better quality product. Your business name, logo, and other information can be printed on the bag. We can customize the product according to your demands. We also take pride in being one of the few businesses to achieve many international certifications in the packaging industry, including JIS, FDA, BSCI, SGS, etc. Join the compostable revolution with Haplast, because a small change today can make a big difference tomorrow.